Types of machine learning. Explained understanding, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning with real business cases. Think of machine learning as teaching a computer to make decisions. Just like humans learn in different ways, machines can learn through three distinct approaches. Supervised learning equals learning with a teacher, labeled examples. Unsupervised learning equals learning by discovering patterns, no labels. Reinforcement learning equals learning through trial and error, rewards and penalties. 1. Supervised learning, learning from labeled examples. The concept. Imagine teaching a child to identify fruits by showing them pictures and telling them, this is an apple, this is a banana, etc. That's supervised learning. You provide both the input, picture, and the correct output, label. The key characteristics are, it requires labeled data. Each training example has an input and the correct answer. Goal is to learn a mapping function from inputs to outputs. Processes algorithm learns from examples to predict labels for new, unseen data too. Unsupervised learning. Finding hidden patterns without labels. Imagine giving a child a box of mixed toys and asking them to organize them without telling them how to organize. They might group by color, size, type, or function. That's unsupervised learning. The algorithm finds patterns without being told what to look for. The key characteristics are no labeled data, only input data, no correct answers provided. Goal is to discover hidden structures, patterns, or groupings in data process. Is algorithm identifies similarities and differences on its own? When to use which approach? Choose supervised learning. When? You have labeled historical data. Clear definition of what to predict. Patterns exist in past data that will hold in future. For an example, we have 100,000 past loan applications marked approved, denied, predict for new applicants. Choose unsupervised learning. When? You have data but no labels. You want to explore and discover patterns. You don't know what you're looking for. For an example, we have customer data. Help us understand natural customer groups.